portion of the setup can be done by one person, but two people will always make it faster. Prepare by laying out your paddle boards side by side and setting all of the lounge parts next to them. Begin by connecting two halves of the spacing bar and lay a spacing bar next to each board. Loosen the straps on the four lounge bases and place the lounge base on each end of the paddleboard by looping the strap under the board. The bases should be oriented so that the receiver tubes are facing one another. Check to make sure that the straps are not twisted under the board. Do not tighten the straps just yet, and position the bases so that they are roughly the distance of the spacing bar apart. Once bars are securely attached to the bases, you can adjust their position to the preferred placement. Tighten all the straps, first by pulling on the end of the strap and then using the ratchet to finish. Take the boards to the water before loading everything else. Secure the remaining bars and mesh on the boards. You are now ready for adventure.